are you? I hope all are you good. Today let me start SST chapter number 12, industries, means udyog. Let's begin. Manufacturing industries. Manufacturing is the process of converting raw material into finished good. यानी कि कच्चे माल जो है, कच्चे माल को अच्छे से तैयार करने के लिए, बनाने के लिए क्या होता है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होती है. Economic growth and development largely depend on a country's ability to manufacture goods. The USA, China, Germany, Japan, and Korea are the world's leading industrial nations. Many natural resources, primary products cannot be utilized directly. So, they need to be further processed in such a way that they become utilities. These utilities are called secondary products. Secondary products have greater value. The process of transforming primary products into secondary products to add to their value is called manufacturing. Any economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods by manufacturing and the provision of such services is referred to as industry. India has made considerable progress. So recently the government has taken numerous steps and policy decisions to significantly enhance manufacturing growth rate and thereby employment also. So presently within India, the share of manufacturing in its economy is 15%. It is planned to increase it to 25% by 2025 and increase employment by additional 90 million jobs. Classification of industries. Industries have been classified into different categories, but by the National Industrial Classification. A general classification can be made on the basis of various criteria. On the basis of raw material used. Agro-based industries such as cotton, textile, jute, rubber and sugar industries that derive their raw material from agriculture. Mineral-based industries that use mineral ores as their raw materials. Iron is used as a raw material for manufacturing heavy machineries. Forest-based industries use forests produced to manufacture paper, furniture and buildings. Animal-based industries use products like hide, skin, hair and other part of animals. Leather industries is an important animal-based industry. So on the basis of the amount of labor capital invested and volume of production, the large-scale industries are the ones that employ thousands of laborers and use heavy machinery, for example, iron and steel, cement and पेट्रोकेमिकल्स. तो जहाँ पर ये चीज़ें बनती है वो लार्ज एक बहुत बड़े स्केल की इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं. स्मॉल कौन सी होती हैं? एम्प्लॉय लेस नंबर ऑफ लेबरर्स एंड लेस अमाउंट ऑफ कैपिटल. फॉर एग्जांपल यूनिट्स दैट मेक स्विंग मशीन्स, फैंस एंड साइकिल्स. Cottage and village industries are traditional. Most of the manufacturing is done in small workshops or at home to make brassware, wood carving, pottery, carpets and leather goods. The handloom section of the textile industry employs a large number of laborers. और देखिए यहाँ पे पिक्चर में दिखाया भी गया है कि ये कैसे लार्ज स्केल वाली इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, ये स्मॉल हैं और ये कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री है जो लोग अपने घर पे बना लेते हैं. On the basis of ownership. Ownership status in present days keep changing, but broadly the categories are public sector industries are owned and operated by the government and its agencies such as Steel Authority of India Limited and Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals like Airtel, Tata and Reliance Industries, while private limited companies are financed by individuals. Public limited companies are financed by shares owned by the public. Joint sector industries are owned jointly by the state and individuals, Indian and foreign persons or a group of individuals like Maruti Udyog Limited, which is a joint venture of the government of India and the Suzuki company of. Operative sector industries are owned by and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers or both. They pool in resources and share the profit proportionately like Amul dairy product. On the basis of the nature of the finished products, Basic industries are those whose finished products are used as raw material for other industries like iron and steel industry. Beside making steel, it provides material for other manufacturing industry to produce goods such as machines and automobiles. So the petrochemical industries use petroleum to produce other products like lubricants, diesel, petrol and kerosene. Consumer industry produce goods that are directly used by the consumers like sugar, paper, pens, bicycles and toothpaste. Location of industries. Many factors are assessed to great details before starting an industry. These factors are crucial for the survival and success of an industry. Some of these are availability of raw materials, presence of skilled and skilled labor and suitable administrative staff, and uninterrupted power supply at an affordable price and suitable infrastructure including good communication network, easy access to market, good connectivity to road, railways or sea ports for accessing transport of facilities, availability of capital investment for the purchase of machines, power and payment for transport and labor. Subsidy on water and electricity, favorable climate, a suitable drainage system and provision for disposal of waste, cheap and suitable land for the construction of factories. Industrial system. Inputs, processes and outputs are three main parts of an industrial system. Raw materials, cost of land, labor, transport and other required infrastructure is the input. All the activities involved in conversion of raw materials into finished products is called process. The finished product after the processing and how well it does in the market is the output. For example, in the case of textile industries, the input can be cotton, human labor, factory and transport cost. The process include ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing and printing. The output is different types of clothes we buy and wear. Industrial regions, which are major industrial regions of the world, are eastern part of North America, Western and Central Europe, UK, France, Italy, Germany and Sweden, Eastern Europe, Russia and Ukraine, Eastern Asia, Japan, South Korea, China, Malaysia and Taiwan. Major industrial regions in India: Mumbai, Pune region, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu belt, Gujarat region, Kollam, Tiruvananthapuram industrial cluster, Ahmedabad, Baroda region, Chota Nagpur industrial belt, Visakhapatnam, Guntur belt and Delhi, Gurugram, Meerut. Distribution of major industries. Industries are widely distributed around the world on the basis of availability of raw materials, manpower, capital, etc. The given map highlights the distribution of major industries in the world. Iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry is the basic key industry that produce steel, which is a raw material for many other industries. So, for example, steel is used in tool making, shipbuilding and automobile industry. It is also called the backbone of all industries. The raw materials needed for these industries are iron, ore, coal, manganese and limestone. So steel can be easily shaped, cut or drawn into a wire, but at the same time it retains its toughness. Small amount of aluminium, nickel and copper are added to steel. These alloys give it to unusual hardness, toughness and ability to resist rust. Steel is used in manufacturing of ships, train, truck, needle, pin, etc. Steel machinery is used in drilling of oil wells and essential in the extraction of many minerals. Pipes made of steel are used to transport oil. Even buildings have steel in their formwork for a strong structure. The location of iron and steel industries has changed through the years. In the 1800s, the location of iron and steel industry was based on the availability of raw material, power supply and running water. Later places near coal fields, canals and railways became the ideal location for the industry. After 1950, when importing of iron ore became an important part of the process, iron and steel industry began to be located on large areas of flat and near sea ports. World producers. China is the biggest producer of steel, followed by India, Japan, USA, Russia, Germany, South Korea, Mexico, and the UK are other producers of steel. Indian steel industries. Major steel plants in India are located at Durgapur, Bhilai, Bokaro, ठीक है, भद्रवती, बुरनपुर, जमशेदपुर, राउरकेला, सलेम, विजयनगर and Visakhapatnam. Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited, TISCO, used to be the only iron and steel plant in India before 1947. Our government set up several iron and steel plants after independence. In 1907, TISCO was started at Sakchi, whose name was later changed the Jamshedpur. Sakchi was chosen as the location for setting up the settle plant for various reasons, such as what? Kalimati station on the Bengal-Nagpur railway line was only 32 km away this location. There were iron ore, coal and manganese deposit nearby. So the Kharkai and Subarna Rekha reverse ensured sufficient water supply. Kolkata, which provided a large market, okay, so was also near this location. TISCO gets coal from Jharia coalfields, iron ore, limestone, dolomite and manganese from Odisha and Chhattisgarh. It got adequate capital for its further development, for government initiative. In India, the road to industrial development was paved with the development of iron and steel industry. Almost all sectors of the Indian industries depend heavily on this industry or for their basic infrastructure. Here, all topics are covered in this chapter here. I hope you all are very well understand it. So, we will meet you in next class. Thank you.